Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I'm showing y'all how to make some lemon sugar baked donuts. First, in a large mixing bowl, I have 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and then I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and I'm going to whisk those together. Then add in 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 3/4 cup of sugar, and whisk together. Now I'm going to add 3/4 cup of buttermilk, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 teaspoons of lemon zest. And you're going to continue to whisk until the batter is smooth and fully combined, making sure to not overmix. If you're new to my channel, please hit that red subscribe button. I post 2 new recipes every week. You're going to need 2 donut pans. This recipe makes 12 donuts. And just make sure to spray the pans with non-stick spray. Then you're going to start dividing the batter between the prepared donut pans. I simply just use 2 spoons. I like doing it this way, it seems easier. Also, make sure to not overfill them. Now you're going to bake in a preheated 425-degree oven for 7 to 10 minutes, or until the edges of the donuts begin to turn light golden brown and the tops of the donuts spring back when lightly touched. Once the donuts are done, allow them to cool in the pans for about 5 minutes before placing them on a cooling rack. Now I have 6 tablespoons of melted butter in one bowl, and in the other, I have half a cup of sugar. And I'm going to add in 4 teaspoons of lemon zest. I'm going to give that a quick mix. Now for the fun part. Grab 1 donut, and you're going to dip one side of the donut in the melted butter, and then press into the sugar zest mixture. And look how good this donut looks. And you're going to continue this process for the other donuts. These are such a perfect treat, especially on a sunny day. They're so light, citrusy, and coated with that lemon zest infused sugar. They are so good.
So good!
If you guys enjoyed this recipe, please give them a big thumbs up. And you guys can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairytale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I'll see you guys for next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!
1, 2, 3. Action.
All right, before you guys go, if you guys would like to see some more recipes, I'll have one right here and one right below. And please click below to subscribe, and thanks again for watching. Bye!